Hello to all, welcome to the channel Cloud Knowledge. Today in this video we'll study about the conversion of Parquet file to CSV using copy activity in Data Factory. So here in the container inside the test input folder, I have sample parquet.parquet file. So the contents of the Parquet file we cannot read easily. So we want to make it, or we want to convert it to CSV, human readable format, comma separated file using the copy activity in Data Factory. So let's go to the Data Factory. Here in the Data Factory, we'll create a new pipeline. We'll name it as Parquet to CSV. And here we'll take from the move and transform copy data activity, and we'll connect to the source data set first. So this is the second tab, source, and here we'll connect to the sample parquet.parquet. So let's connect. It's inside the Gen2 storage account as a Parquet file. So format type of your data will be Parquet for the source data set. Click OK. Link service already there for the storage account. Now we'll browse to the file path. So it's inside the test input folder as sample parquet.parquet. Select it and click OK. Again, we'll click OK. This is done at the source level. Next is sync. We'll go to the sync, and now we will select again the storage Gen2 account and select the format type of data as delimited text, that is CSV. And the link service, same link service we'll use, and we'll navigate to the file path, which is this time test output folder. We'll click OK, and in CSV the first row will have header, so we'll check this property and then click OK. Okay, so at the source level we connected to the Parquet and sync the CSV. Okay, now we want to name the CSV as well. So in the sync dataset, we'll open the dataset which we have configured just now, and here in the file path we'll give here the file name. Okay, so we want, let's say, the file name as Parquet to CSV .csv. Okay, so we have converted the file from Parquet to CSV, so we are naming it as Parquet to CSV .csv. This is done. Now we'll return back to the pipeline, validate it, and then perform a debug run. So the copy activity is queued, and now it will be in progress. We'll wait for its completion. So here it succeeded. We'll go to the test output folder, and here we will click on refresh and we'll search for Parquet to CSV.csv. Here it's generated. So if we click on edit, and we can now see the data. It was having 4 columns and the values here. Okay, so this is how we can easily convert Parquet to CSV using copy activity in Data Factory. Thank you for watching the video. Happy learning. Bye.